Revamped 2025 Chevrolet Suburban and Tahoe, bigger screens, and potent diesels. In the realm of family and utility vehicles, the Chevrolet Suburban and Tahoe have long held the mantle, and for 2025, they're donning a fresh look with notable enhancements, facing stiff competition. Chevy aims to fortify the legacy of these SUV legends by introducing several updates that cater to modern preferences and technological needs, exterior refinements for a contemporary appeal. The 2025 Suburban and Tahoe greet the world with a refreshed front. Drawing inspiration from the silver Auto F, the redesigned fascia boasts larger daytime running lights. Nestled within gloss black C-channel housings, a gloss black grille bar, standard across all models, introduces a touch of sophistication with distinctive textures for specific trims, such as the Z71's black mesh and High Country's Galvano chrome trim, while the side profile retains its classic silhouette. Updated wheel designs contribute to a more modern aesthetic. The rear receives a subtle yet effective makeover, featuring a wide strip of gloss black connecting the taillamps, accentuating the T-shaped lighting with a broader appearance. Sporty quad tailpipes and an overall refined look position the Tahoe and Suburban as stylish contenders in their segment. Interior overhaul for enhanced comfort and connectivity. Step inside, and the 2025 Tahoe and Suburban offer a completely revamped interior. The focal point is an impressive 17.7-inch touchscreen and an 11.0-inch digital instrument cluster, standard across all trims. A redesigned dashboard not only enhances aesthetics, but also improves sightlines, reducing any sense of claustrophobia. The shift selector makes a return to the steering column, offering a momentary switch for added convenience. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto continue to enrich the infotainment experience. Now complemented by new tech features, a dedicated app simplifies towing tasks, considering trailer dimensions for more accurate turning and maneuvering. A cloud-connected camera system adds a layer of convenience, providing live video feed accessible through a smartphone app. Advanced safety and driver assist technologies. Chevrolet prioritizes safety in the 2025 Suburban and Tahoe, with a suite of features including automatic emergency braking, lane centering technology, blind spot monitoring, front and side pedestrian detection, and adaptive cruise control. The renowned Super Cruise Driver Assist Suite is now available on LT, RST, Premier, and High Country trims, expanding its accessibility. A sophisticated rear seat monitoring system, capable of detecting heartbeats and breath patterns, adds an extra layer of safety, particularly beneficial for families. The inclusion of an interior camera further aids in checking for forgotten items inside the vehicle. Powerful diesel performance. Chevy's acclaimed Duramax 3.0-liter turbodiesel now finds its place in the 2025 Suburban and Tahoe Z71 trim. This efficient and smooth straight-six engine brings an impressive 305 horsepower and 495 pound-feet of torque, catering to customers desiring both diesel efficiency and off-road prowess. The existing gasoline 5.3-liter and 6.2-liter V8 engines remain unchanged, offering a range of power options to suit varied preferences, enhance driving dynamics. To ensure a responsive and enjoyable driving experience, the 2025 Tahoe and Suburban receive a retuned steering system and an updated multi-link rear suspension. These refinements contribute to improved ease of handling and responsiveness on the road. Production and pricing.